Yep, it is this time of the year. We are entering 2019. Woo! We are entering 2019, and as always, we are going with the family to see the fireworks in the neighborhood. So the whole neighborhood is now coming out of their houses, and so I want to wish everybody a happy new year. If you see me, it's dark. I want to wish everybody a happy new year. Don't take resolutions at the end of the year. Take them every time you learn something, as I always say every year. And remove all the toxic people from your life. And always, always, always spread love, as we do. Bless. Cosa ve? Muore ora. So usually we dine outside and then we go watch the fireworks, but listen, we just live in front of the river. So this time we dine at home, and we just came out now. It's 11:50, and we're gonna watch the fireworks, and then around midnight and 10 we'll be home. Beautiful, back in my pajamas. So last year she was sleeping like a little stone. This year she's awake, she's gonna see the fireworks. Hopefully she's not gonna cry. Asha! Yeah. For those who are not in 2019 yet, we're gonna be in 2019 in 3 minutes. Uh-oh. Hey, Happy New Year! Já tá. Já tocou. Sim, já tocou. Asha doesn't give a fuck. Happy New Year!